Hi everyone, welcome to Vijata online classes. Today we are discussing about depreciation. See, what is the meaning of a depreciation? Depreciation is a permanent and continuing diminishing in the quality or quantity or value of an asset. See, depreciation means decreasing. Depreciation is what ma? Decreasing. Decreasing the permanent and continuing diminishing. The value of an asset means the continuously decreasing, not an increasing method. See, the depreciation means permanent and continuing diminishing in the quality and quantity. Not only quality and also quantity will be decrease. For examples are car, see phones and furniture, fixtures, uh, car, phones, furniture, fixtures, etc. See, these are the things will be decreasing every year. See, depreciation means depreciation means decreasing the value of a fixed asset. See, fixed asset means not only an tangible assets, it also an intangible assets also. See, the fixed assets are divided into tangible asset and also an intangible asset. See, tangible and intangible. Tangible in the sense we can touch, we can see, and we can feel. And intangible assets are we cannot see, we cannot touch, and we cannot feel. See, tangible assets are like land, building, furniture, fixture, etc. Here, building are the ignore. Why? Because never the building value will be decrease and also land value will be decrease. The furniture and fixtures are will be decreases every year. And intangible in the sense like goodwill, patents, goodwill and patents. The goodwill means name and fame, name and fame. The patent rights in the sense like patent rights ante enti ledamma, like we have taken in the patent rights on some stories మీద ఏమైనా patent rights తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో, if the story is finished, the value of the value of the story will be gone. See, the depreciation means decreasing the value of a fixed assets are divided into two types: tangible asset and intangible asset. Tangible assets are like land, building, furniture, fixtures, etc. Intangible assets are like goodwill and patents. See, mostly see see car and phone and furniture and fixture. See, suppose we are taken some phone, ఒక phone purchase చేసాం. The phone value is 10,000. Same value will be same value next year untunda undadu. The value of a phone will be decreasing for every year. See, 10,000 of the phone, the value of a phone, the same value will be not there in the next year. The value of a phone will be decreasing continuously. That is called diminishing. That is called what ma? Diminishing. Why the values are decreasing? Why the values of assets will be decreasing? See, what are the reasons? What are the reasons for the value of an assets will be decreasing? See, causes. Causes means కారణాలు. ఎందుకు the value of an assets will be decrease? ఎందుకు value asset value ఎందుకు తగ్గిపోతుంది? First, wear and tear. First one is what ma? Wear and tear. And second one is out of fashion. Out of fashion. And third one is expiring of date. And fourth one is accidents. See, what are the reasons the value of an asset will be decreasing? First one is wearing and tearing. Suppose shirt manam we are using daily. After 1 to 2 years, it will be tear. Yes or no? It will be tear. That is the reason the value of an asset also will be decrease. And out of fashion. Out of fashion in the sense, old fashions are different and new fashions are different. ఇప్పుడు మనం కొత్త ఫ్యాషన్ ఏమైనా వచ్చిందనుకో, ఓల్డ్ ఫ్యాషన్స్ విల్ బి లూజ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాషన్. అండ్ expiry of a date. Suppose one tablet is there. Every tablet, not every product has an expiry date. Yes or no? Every product has an expiry date. After expiry date, the value of an asset will be decrease or product will be decrease. Accidents. Suppose the bike will accident and accident ayindi. A motorbike value emotudi, the value of a motorbike will be decrease. So depreciation means decreasing the value of an asset. అంటే అసెట్ ఏమవుతుందంటే డిక్రీజ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ వాల్యూ అనేది డిక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. సపోజ్ ఫర్నిచర్ అండ్ ఫిక్చర్ is nothing but tube lights. These are the things are tube light and fans. These are the things are fixtures. And furniture we know. And the phones and electronic gadgets. These are the things will decrease every year. These are the reasons. First thing is wear and tear, and second thing is out of fashion, and third thing is expiring the date, and fourth thing is accidents. See, calculation of a fixed assets. Calculation of a depreciation. How to calculate the depreciation? We have a formulas. First one, annual depreciation. And the rate of depreciation. See, annual depreciation means cost of asset plus installation minus scrap value by life of asset. Rate of depreciation. How to calculate the rate of depreciation? Annual depreciation by cost of asset into 100. See, annual depreciation. How to calculate the annual depreciation? Cost of asset. Suppose this is the value of an asset. Suppose 1 lakh rupee is the value of an asset. Suppose 5,000 is the installation charges, and the 10,000 is the scrap value, and these are the 10 years of life of span. See, how to calculate? 1 lakh plus 5,000 means 1,05,000 minus 10,000 by 10. See how much more? 1,05,000 minus 10,000 by 10. 95,000 by 10. 0 cancel. See, 9,500. See, and rate of depreciation. The rate of depreciation in the sense annual depreciation. How much the annual depreciation here? 1 lakh cost of asset. Sorry, annual depreciation in the sense 9,500 by cost of asset 1,05,000 into 100. We can calculate the value of a rate of depreciation. See, annual depreciation means cost of asset plus installation minus scrap value. These are the formula. Cost of asset plus installation minus scrap value by life of asset. And the rate of depreciation equal to annual depreciation by cost of asset into 100. These are the two formulas. For the calculation of a depreciation. Right.